Hey guys, welcome to the kitchen. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about grocery shopping. And Danny and I don't really grocery shop. We go to Walmart, we pick up the items we need and we leave. We're not really walking aisles and shopping and things like that. So for 5 years, I've not really just walked up and down aisles. The only time I did that when Danny and I first got married, we took his mother to the grocery store and we would go with her up and down all the aisles. So now, when we go to Walmart or Piggly Wiggly, that's only 2 stores we have here, we don't walk up and down the aisles. We have a list, we go in, we get what we need. We always look to see if they have something on sale at Piggly Wiggly that we need, and then we go to that department. So yesterday, Heidi, Lori, and I went grocery shopping. We went down to the coast, hit 2 grocery stores and a Kmart. Kmart's going out of business, guys. It really is not a sale yet. 10% off, and it's still very high. I didn't even buy anything. She bought 2 items. We went to 2 different grocery stores down there. The first one I did not buy anything because it was comparable to our Piggly Wiggly here, so it wasn't anything that I needed. The second one we went to was a cost plus type grocery store where the prices were listed, looked really, really cheap, but they added 10%. Now, some of the items are still under what I can get here, so I did buy several things, but not a lot. One of the things I did buy was some of the seasoning packets, and like taco and chili type seasoning packets, because I try to store those up in my food storage. One thing I noticed in the stores is the prices. Back 5 years ago, when I shopped up and down the Walmart aisle every 2 or 3 days, I looked for sales at Walmart and I picked up items, whatever I wanted to eat at the moment. I'm one of those impulse buyers. If I'm walking down the aisle, hey, look, mac and cheese, let me have some of that. Hey, French fries, let me have some of that. That's the way I bought groceries. Didn't write out a list or anything. So now I write out a list. Saves money in the long run. You know approximately what you're spending because if you know your prices, you're going to know about what it's going to cost you. If you're an impulse buyer like I was, you're not going to know. You're going to get to the cash register thinking you've got $50 and it's $150 because you've added in one item here, one item there. You're thinking it's only $1. This is only $3. This is only $1.50. It adds up. So yesterday, we had a blast going up and down the aisles and looking, and I'm really shocked at some of the items because there are so many junk food items out there and very, very little healthy items. I guess I shouldn't be shocked, but I was. Even going in Walmart, I did not realize the difference because I've not been in big grocery stores in a long time. One thing I found that I was so happy about, and 2 different people wanted them. Even Heidi wanted 3 people. Heidi wanted them, and 2 other people in the store wanted them, but they weren't getting them. Fingerling potatoes. They had bags of these in there, and they are organic and non-GMO, it said on the package, but they were nearly $4 a pack. And I'm like, oh, and I picked up a pack and I thought, Danny would like to have some more. We've got some in the cellar that we save year to year to plant. But our original potatoes, fingerling potatoes, came from a grocery store. I believe Walmart had them at the time about 4 years ago, and we brought them home and planted them. We bought them in the grocery store, made sure it was organic, non-GMO. These, 99 cents. There was 2 packs of them. I got both. This, $2. You know how much this will plant? Almost as much as we plant. This is great, guys. So, guys, my tip for today, if you're out grocery shopping, always check for items like this. If you have to pay the $3 and something a pound, and they're organic or non-GMO, that type of stuff, pay it. Because the seed companies charge a lot more than that. You get very few potatoes for like $8, $9. So this is the cheaper way to plant fingerling potatoes. So guys, I'm going to let you go. I've got to get busy. I'm fixing to do something with squash, and then I'm going to be making other things today for us to have to eat later, and maybe another video coming up sometime. See you guys later. Thank you from Crazy Days.